Benefits of Amla Juice. Amla is considered a good source of vitamin C. By using it you can strengthen your hair as well as cure many skin problems. Skincare. Apart from this, it contains many nutrients like fiber, iron, zinc, vitamin B complex, calcium, and antioxidants, which control many diseases. Also, Amla Juice can overcome many problems. If you drink Amla Juice regularly, you can get many benefits. It also helps you stay healthy. Today we will learn about the health benefits of Amla Juice. Reduces weight. Regular consumption of Amla Juice helps in weight loss. It removes toxins from your body, which gives you many benefits. For this, take Amla Juice with lukewarm water every morning on an empty stomach. It burns fat quickly. Blood purification. Amla Juice is rich in antioxidant properties. Apart from this, vitamin C is also found in it, which is useful in purifying the blood. Benefits for the skin. Regular consumption of Amla Juice cures skin problems. It can reduce acne and blemishes on the skin. For this, drink Amla Juice regularly. You can also apply its juice directly on the skin. Relief from constipation. Amla Juice relieves constipation, stomach ache, indigestion, and gas problems. It relieves flatulence and acidity. Especially if you have stomach bugs, you can get more benefits from its use. This juice cures many digestive problems. Improve eye health. Amla Juice improves eyesight. With its help, the problem of watery, itchy, and burning eyes can be cured. For this, drink Amla Juice regularly. Boosts immunity. Immunity plays an important role in protecting the body from any type of infection. In such a situation, strengthening the immune system becomes more important. For this, you can drink Amla Juice. Apart from colds and coughs, it helps the body fight viral and bacterial infections.